Guys, siqhubeka ne-second segment on Senzomiwa's case today. The stuff that Raza was saying. Hey, futhi uRaza guys yakhuluma ngalo mama. I was like, no, nje, just because I'm old school, I just wanted to find out when were you gonna come to me? But you just came on Friday and then you sat down. Can you just explain to me ukuthi ene ubuzozana yini kimi? But I'm just like, naye umshololo guys, he knows this guy. Why didn't she just go to his chambers mhlambe or akhulume naye esayidini? Because remember umshololo is busy with another case that's coming on the 23rd of a lady who is like Rosemary, who actually unalived family members akhe for insurance. So she's gonna be representing that case. Although I know she's in KZN, I know she's in KZN, I know she's coming, my lord. She's like, you've been off for 2 weeks, which I thought I was longer. Actually, I thought we were on a month. I don't know. With umshololo, ngifila kanjalo. So right, 2 weeks, and you just come and then you just sitting down and you just dreaming about your own things instead of coming to me. So I was just like, as you know, umshololo fanele afike kuRasa nje sithi, I am so sorry, my lord, I didn't mean it.